Hello, my friends, welcome to White Echo YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about AI robots that have become more advanced today and have improved performance. If you are interested, continue watching until the end. So let's start the video. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world. AI robots are not just science fiction anymore. They are real. These robots can learn and solve problems. AI robots use sensors to understand the world. Cameras act as their eyes and microphones help them hear. They process information and learn from experiences. This technology is rapidly advancing. AI robots are becoming smarter and more capable. This is changing the way we live and work. AI robots offer incredible potential to improve our lives. From healthcare to transportation, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a robot that can see a ripe tomato, pick it up without damaging it, and handle it with the same care as a human hand. This remarkable feat is made possible with advanced sensor technology. AI robots use sophisticated cameras to see the world around them, capturing detailed images. These cameras are often combined with three-dimensional sensors, which provide depth perception, allowing the robot to understand the spatial relationships between objects. Touch sensors, on the other hand, give robots a sense of touch, mimicking the human ability to feel. This tactile feedback allows them to interact with delicate objects, such as fruits or fragile items, without causing any damage. These sensors, when combined with artificial intelligence, enable robots to perform tasks that previously required the nuanced dexterity of human hands. From agricultural robots meticulously harvesting crops in the fields, to highly precise surgical robots assisting in complex medical procedures, the possibilities for robotic applications are continually expanding. In factory settings, robots equipped with these advanced sensors and AI can assemble delicate electronics with incredible precision. In warehouses, they can sort packages and handle logistics efficiently, reducing human error and increasing productivity. Even in home settings, robots are beginning to assist with household chores, making everyday life more convenient. As technology continues to advance, the integration of sensors and AI will further enhance the capabilities of robots, making them indispensable in various fields. AI robots are not programmed for every situation. Instead, they are designed to learn and adapt in real time, much like humans do. This ability to evolve and improve makes them incredibly powerful tools in our modern world. They learn and adapt, much like humans do. This process is known as machine learning, where the AI system uses algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows robots to learn from data. By processing vast amounts of information, these robots can identify trends and make predictions, which helps them perform tasks more efficiently. By analyzing vast amounts of information, robots can improve their performance over time. This continuous learning process enables them to become more accurate and effective in their roles. For example, a robot designed to sort packages can learn to identify different shapes and sizes. Initially, it might make mistakes, but with each package it sorts, it gathers more data and refines its sorting algorithm. The more packages it sorts, the more accurate it becomes. This improvement is a direct result of the machine learning process, where the robot continuously updates its knowledge base and enhances its performance. This ability to learn makes AI robots incredibly versatile. They are not limited to a single task. Instead, they can be programmed to learn and master a variety of skills, making them adaptable to different industries and applications. They can adapt to new environments and tasks, making them valuable in various fields. From healthcare to logistics, AI robots are revolutionizing the way we work and live, offering solutions that were once thought impossible. AI robots are already transforming industries worldwide, from manufacturing to healthcare. In manufacturing, robots perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed. This increases efficiency and reduces costs. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons with complex procedures, improving accuracy and patient outcomes. The use of AI robots in the workplace is creating new job opportunities in robot design, operation, and maintenance. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect even more significant changes in the workplace. Section 5. Robots at home everyday helpers. AI robots are not just for factories and hospitals, they are also becoming increasingly common in our homes. Robot vacuums and lawnmowers are already popular, freeing up our time for other activities. Smart home devices, powered by AI, can control lighting, temperature, and security systems, making our lives easier and more comfortable. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated home robots that can assist with cooking, cleaning, and even provide companionship. Section 6, the doctor will see you now, AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to assisting with surgery. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities with greater accuracy than humans. Surgical robots assist surgeons with precise movements, reducing complications and improving patient outcomes. AI-powered prosthetic limbs are becoming increasingly sophisticated, restoring mobility and independence to amputees. Section 7. Safer Streets and Skies, AI in Transportation. AI is transforming transportation, making our journeys safer and more efficient. Self-driving cars are becoming increasingly sophisticated, with the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error. AI-powered traffic management systems can optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving air quality. In aviation, AI is used for air traffic control, flight planning, and even pilot assistance, making air travel safer and more efficient. Section 8. A Friend in Need, AI for Companionship. AI robots are not just tools, they can also provide companionship and emotional support. Social robots are designed to interact with humans in a natural and engaging way. They can provide companionship to the elderly, children, and people with disabilities. AI-powered virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa offer a sense of connection and can help combat loneliness. While these robots cannot replace human interaction, they offer valuable support and companionship. Section 9. The future of AI robots, limitless potential. The future of AI robots is full of possibilities. With each passing day, we are witnessing groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics. As technology advances, we can expect robots to become even more intelligent, adaptable, and capable. These machines will not only learn from their surroundings, but also evolve to meet new challenges and opportunities. Robots may one day perform tasks that are currently considered too dangerous or difficult for humans, such as disaster relief or space exploration. Imagine a future where robots are the first responders in natural disasters, saving lives and providing critical assistance. AI robots have the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. They could monitor environmental changes, predict natural disasters, and even develop new medical treatments. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. We could see robots in every aspect of our lives, from personal assistants to industrial workers, transforming the way we live and work. As we continue to develop AI responsibly, we can look forward to a future where robots and humans work together to create a better world. This collaboration could lead to unprecedented innovations and improvements in quality of life, making the world a more efficient, safer, and more exciting place to live. Section 10. The ethical considerations, navigating the future. While the potential benefits of AI robots are vast, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically, addressing concerns about job displacement, privacy, and potential misuse. Open dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, researchers, and the public are essential for navigating the ethical challenges posed by AI. By approaching AI development thoughtfully and ethically, we can harness its power to benefit humanity while minimizing potential risks. Section 11. Conclusion. A new era of collaboration. AI robots are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are a reality that is transforming our world in profound ways. These intelligent machines are changing how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. While there are valid concerns about the ethical implications of AI, its potential for good is undeniable. As we enter a new era of collaboration between humans and robots, it is our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. I hope you will get some new knowledge or thought from this video. If you have any friends' opinions about this topic, please write in the comments. If you want to see the videos that will be posted later, please subscribe and like to my channel. If you are interested in topics, please write in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.